in this building there's no gutters, and when we got heavy rain where these small rocks are, it would just all wash out. So what we ended up doing, my dad had the idea to we dug down a trench about 6-8 inches deep, put in landscape material to keep the sand out of we put a 4-inch black pipe in there. Then we put landscape material on top of the pipe too, and then we put this rock in. And the trench, well, the trench was only probably 6-8 inches wide and deep. And it runs down along the whole side of the building. And the rock, it doesn't wash away for the most part. A little bit, very, very little. And this runs all the way along. There's a 4-inch pipe that runs all the way along this building that has the small cuts or perforations in the pipe. And it runs down along here. It runs along the edge of this apron on the garage. And then we dug a trench all the way along here. These boards are just washed up and they're dried. So it runs along right on the outside of the apron. And we dug it so that this all runs downhill along here on the outside of the apron. And then there's another pipe that comes down from this side. We did the same thing here. We dug a trench, put in the landscape material, put in the 4-inch perforated pipe, put landscape material on top of the 4-inch pipe so that the sand doesn't get into that pipe and possibly plug it up. And then we put that, I don't know, it's probably 1/2-inch rock. Here's a close, you can tell in my hand. That's the size of the rock. And this stays in place real well. So we ran it down to this juncture. Right here we put a T in. Then it runs over this way. I'm going to have to go across the trailer hitch here, and it runs down here. And we made it so it all sloped down this way, so that water from the roof runs into those 4-inch pipes, or through the rocks into the 4-inch pipe, and it comes out right here where we put some rock, and the water will just run right out. And that took care of all of the problems with the sand along the side of the building, which is a hillside, and it eliminated all of that washing out without putting gutters on the building. And and gutters, they were great, but they pose their own problems. They can freeze. You can get leaves, pine needles and stuff in them. They get plugged up, then they run over, and it's the same as not having any gutters. So you can tell here that this slopes down, and without the rock there, it washed away really bad. So my dad had a great idea on doing this. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.